So it looks like Sauce Walka got his daughter for the holidays, and it turned him into Chris Brown. The Houston rapper says he and his friends are good black men in America raising families and breaking records. Let's check it out.
Allie.
Hey.
Palm, man, what you up here doing for Christmas? Ball tonight. Show them all the stuff you buying and how much money you got for Christmas. You don't want to show the people, Allie? Say hey. You don't want to say hi? Say hey. You don't want to say hi, Allie? You don't want to say hi to the people? Oh, hold on, daddy. Oh, we back. Woof, woof, woof. Yeah. Oh! Fuck is you talking about, nigga? You know that South Walker daughter, nigga. Who taught you how to, where you get that from? You just, we on them people like that, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My baby talking now. Can I get ooh-wee? Can we go ooh-wee?
You have stayed with me to this point of the video. Consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.